the big blue blob. Little history lesson here. For years, farmers have used machinery to help them work the land. You knew that, right? Well, here are some people using machinery who need to work on their landing.
Thunderstorm warning.
Did you really need this much of a running start to get this kind of result? I think they're trying to find out who's the alpha tractor.
They were yelling Monica at Clinton when she left the thing. Oh my God. And in Egypt. She was leaving the place in Egypt, they were yelling Monica at her.
Here's why the newer models have a tailgate on the back. That's not nice, Ava.
I don't want to get a lot of password watches.
Ironically, he tied those logs to his tires to
geez.
get him out of the dirt.
Oh.
The sound of the tractor doesn't wake him up. This ought to do the trick. That jacuzzi will help them soak away their troubles of not having a
It's not over.
What's that thing called? Oh yeah, a near-death experience.
Oh.
I like to think our show has something for everyone. If you like people falling down, we got that. You like pranks? We got that. And if you like guys who constantly tell you our show has something for everyone, we got that too. I just want Cheryl Burke. Her job is
Look at this show on AFB. Sorry, my brother's showing the video again.
If you want to catch a frog, you've got to think like a frog.
Did you get him?
Put it on rim. Pretty sure the ticker's over again. It might show up. Ow.
That's what is known as the dunk in the junk.
It's probably gonna be over. That's gone. Okay, peace.